So, our first topic is compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the total amount that grows based on both initial principal and interest paid from all the previous period. For example, loan, installment purchase, saving, insurance, and investment.
Let's move on to the next topic, which is annuity. What is annuity? Annuity shows concepts that enable people to plan for the future in terms of investments and savings. Annuity is also a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. There are a lot of examples of annuity, such as shop rentals, insurance policy premiums, annual dividends received, and installment payments. Next, we're going to go through methodologies of annuity. There are two of them that we use in this topic. First, the formula of future value. Second, the formula of present value. For the formula of future value, we use interest N, which is I equal to S minus N times R. For formula present value, we use interest paid, which is I equals to N times R minus A. So, what are all of these symbols mean? S equal to future value of annuity at the end of an interest periods. R equals to periodic payments. I equals to interest rate per interest period. N equals to term of investment. And lastly, A equals to present value of annuity at the end of an interest period.
Next, I will show you guys way to answer question 1 from compound interest. Hakim is an accomplished chef, is currently employed with Pasta Panas. He is 23 years old and hopes to open his own cafe in 5 years. Fortunately, Hakim is won first place in a cooking competition and received 20,000 ringgit in cash. He chose to invest all of his prize money in an investment scheme with two banks to consider as detailed below. YOU Bank 6.89% compounded quarterly and MY Bank 6.8% compounded monthly. So for question A, for each bank, how much money will Hakim have in the investment account after 5 years? I am going to use the formula of S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket N to find the value of YOU Bank and MY Bank after 5 years. For YOU Bank, we will get P equal to 20,000, I equal to 0.0689 per 4, and using the formula of N equal MT, we will get N 4 times with 5 and get 20. Then insert the value according to its formula, we will get 28,143 ringgit 1 cent. Then using the same formula, P equal to 20,000, I equal to 0.068 per 12, and we will get 60. Insert the value and we will get 28 and 70 ringgit. B. Based on the interest values, which bank should Hakim pick? Justify a choice. I think YOU Bank because the interest earned is higher than MY Bank. C. Answer the following question depending on the bank you selected in C. After 2 years of investment, the bank changed the rate to 7% compounded monthly. How much should Hakim receive at the end of 5 years? First, we need to find the value for 2 years of investment. N equal to 4 times 2 and we will get 8. Using the same rate of compound interest, which is 0.0689 per 4, insert it to the formula of S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. And we will get 22,928 ringgit. Next, change the rate of compound interest 7% compounded monthly for the rest of the year, which is 3 years, and using the same formula N equal to 12 times 3, we will get 36, and insert it to the formula and we will get 28,268 ringgit 52 cents. Next, question 2A. 800 ringgit is invested for 5 years, 10 months. This investment is offered interest rates of 9% compounded every 3 months for the first 3 years and 7% compounded monthly for the rest of the period. Calculate the amount at the end of the investment period. How much interest was earned? So first, find the value of first 3 years using rate of 9% compounded every 3 months. Use formula N equal MT and we got 4 times 3 equal to 12 for N. Then insert the value to the formula of compound interest S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. We got 1,044 ringgit and 84 cents. After that, calculate the rest of the period using 7% compounded monthly. Using N equal MT, we got 34 for N and insert the amount of last 3 years, which is 1,044 ringgit and 86 for P in the formula, and so on. We will get 1,273 ringgit 31 cents. Lastly, use interest formula I equal S minus P, which is 1,273 ringgit 30 cents minus 800. We got the answer 473 ringgit and 31 cents. Question 2B. A sum of money RMX was deposited in a saving account with interest 6% compounded monthly on 1st June 2017. On 1st September 2020, 500 ringgit was withdrawn and balance as of 1st April 2024 was 6,464 ringgit 40 cents. Find the value of X. First, make a timeline from 1st June 2017 until 1st September 2020. We will get 3 years and 3 months, which is 39 months. And from 1st September 2020 until 1st April 2024, we will get 3 years and 7 months, which is 43 months. use the formula of compound interest S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket N, we will get 5,260 ringgit 60 cents. Then plus the value with the withdrawn 500 ringgit, the total will get 5,716 and 60 cents. After that, insert the value to the formula of compound interest and using 39 for N, we will get the answer 4,706 ringgit 10 cents.
Now, we move to third question. You are assigned to set up a company and need to borrow 250,000 loan for 20 years. There are two banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. So, you have two banks to choose, which is Cube Bank, who offer 3.0% compound quarterly, and Smile Bank 4.0% compound every 2 months. Question 3A. Calculate the periodic payment and total interest charged for each bank. Firstly, let's calculate the Cube Bank first. The information given based on the question is A equal to 250,000 ringgit, T equal to 20, I equal to 0.03 over 4, N equal to 4 in bracket 20, and you will get the N equal to 80. To calculate the periodic payment, you must use the formula of A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I, the power of negative N over I. After substituting the information given into the formula, we got the R equal to 4,167 ringgit 5 cents. To calculate the total interest earned for Cube Bank, we use the formula of I equal to NR minus A. So, 80 in bracket 4,167.05 minus 250,000, you will get the 83364 ringgit. Now, let's calculate for the Smile Bank. Using the same information, except I and N, Smile Bank using I equal to 0.04 over 6, N equal to 6 in bracket 20, and you will get the 120 for the N. By using the same formula, after substitute the information given into formula, we got the R equal to 3,033 ringgit and 90 cents. To calculate the total interest earned for the Smile Bank using I equal to NR minus A. So, 120 in bracket 3033.19 minus 250,000 ringgit, you will get the 113,982.80 ringgit. Question 3B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A, and give your reason? In my opinion, company that should I choose to borrow the loan is Cube Bank, even though the monthly payment is higher than Smile Bank, but the interest rate is more cheaper.
So we're gonna look at question 4. Amira Ame is considering purchasing a new car for her son using an installment plan with a 20% down payment followed by 60 equal monthly payments after getting her gratuity money. She expects the car to cost 75,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 5.05% compounded monthly. A. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. We have 20% down payment. A equals to 75,000 ringgit. I equals to 0.0505 divided by 12 and equals to 60. So let's calculate the deposit first. 75,000 minus 75,000 times 20%, we've got a new present value which is 60,000 ringgit.
So put the value into the formula of present value. 60,000 equals to R 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0505 divided by 12 close bracket times with negative 60 per 0.0505 divided by 12. So we're gonna get R equals to RM 1,133.65 C.
So let's calculate the interest charge. I equals to N times R minus A. So put the value in 60 times 1,133.65 minus 60,000, and we're gonna get RM 80,019.
Next question. If she wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying for 3 years, how much additional payment does she have to make? So put the value into the formula. S equals to 25,827.12 bracket 1 plus 0.0505 divided by 12 close bracket. We will get the new amount 25,935 ringgit 12 cents.
So we're gonna use the formula of I equals to NR minus A. So put the value in 36 times 1,133.65 plus 25,935.12 minus 60,000, and we're gonna get 6,746.52 ringgit. The last question, if she has not paid her first 3 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her 4th payment to settle all outstanding areas?
So we're gonna use the formula of future value. So put the value into the formula. So we're gonna get S equal to 1,133.65 bracket 1 plus 0.0505 divided by 12 close bracket times 4 minus 1 divided by 0.0505 per 12. So we're gonna get the new amount S equal to 4,562 ringgit 31 cents.